here on Beauty. Thank you all so much for all the love and support on my Kourtney Kardashian React video. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. Today I am going through my top 7 easy DIY masks to treat yourself for an at-home spa day. What makes this an easy DIY compared to other DIYs is that it only takes a few ingredients, and it's common ingredients you can find around your house. The first DIY mask that I'm going to cover is a lip mask. This mask is made with coconut oil, sugar, I like the raw cane sugar because it has a little more coarse sugar, and then honey. The first ingredient that I'm going to put in is the raw cane sugar, and you can put the ingredients in any order that you want. Just make sure you do equal amounts of every ingredient. So I'm doing the 1/4 teaspoon because I don't want to make too much, so I'm going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Sugar helps to exfoliate the lips as well as remove any dead skin cells. Next, I'm putting in coconut oil, and like I said, 1/4 teaspoon. Coconut oil is really moisturizing, and it's also antimicrobial and helps prevent infections. The next ingredient is honey, and you're going to want to take 1/4 teaspoon of this one as well. Okay, like that. Honey is really moisturizing and has anti-inflammatory properties and is known to heal wounds such as dry or cracked lips. One thing I like is that all these ingredients are safe to eat, and I learned that while we eat or drink, we tend to ingest some of the products that we put on our lips. While it's typically a minimal amount, it adds up, and it's great to use ingredients that are safe for your lips but also safe to consume. So lips get their color from the blood vessels under our lips, so taking the time to really massage it in helps to accentuate that red or pink color on our lips. So I'm just going to take the time to massage this in. I usually do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. So this is after 1 to 2 minutes of massaging. And now a taste test. Better than candy, 10 out of 10. So the second DIY mask I'm doing is a face mask. This mask is banana and coconut water. I usually use about 1/4 of a banana and 2 teaspoons of coconut water. Banana is filled with antioxidants that help smooth the skin, and it also has anti-aging properties. You can mash it up and mix it with the coconut water, and you can also add in honey or milk as you see fit. So next I'm putting in coconut water, so 2 teaspoons of this. So coconut water contains vitamin C that helps brighten the skin. For the video, I'm only going to put it on half of my face, and I usually do a thin layer all over my face when I do it normally. And I just let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes until I feel that it's starting to dry. Now time for a taste test. I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10 just because I used an overripe banana. The third DIY mask is a face mask. So for this mask, you're going to want to blend it up, and it's going to be 1/4 cup of oatmeal and 1 spoon of Greek yogurt and water as needed. Now I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of the oats, and oats are really great for those with dry or irritated skin because it's really soothing, and it's also great for those with eczema. Next, I'm going to put in the 1 spoon of the Greek yogurt, and Greek yogurt is a natural lactic acid, so it helps exfoliate and brighten the skin, and it also promotes elasticity in the skin. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of water just to help it blend. You can add more water if you see it's not blending, but you just need a little bit to get it going. So this is what it looks like blended up, and I'm just going to apply it to half of my face for the video, but it'll still work if it's a little chunky. It still applies really well. I usually do a thin layer like this and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Now for a taste test. Okay, I used dry oats, so 5 out of 10. The fourth DIY mask is a lip mask. This mask is pomegranate and coconut oil. So I put in a few pomegranate seeds, and then I'm going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil. So I'm just going to mash it like this to really get the juices out. And pomegranate is really great because it has anti-aging properties, and it also helps boost collagen production and helps detoxify the lips. Now I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of the coconut oil, and you can already see the beautiful color from the pomegranate that is going to give a nice vibrant red to your lips. So this is what it looks like like once I've mixed it, and you can see that beautiful pinkish color, and this is a natural lip tint. So you can use it as a lip balm in the place of the lip balm you use right now, and the coconut oil is really moisturizing and hydrating. And it also has pomegranate, which gives that beautiful natural tint. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my upper lip and on my lower lip. And then usually after a few seconds it starts drying and it gives a nice little tint for me, and that's like great for the rest of the day. Now for a taste test. So the pomegranate flavor is really subtle. It tastes more like coconut oil, so I'd probably give this around a 6 out of 10. The fifth DIY mask is an egg white and honey face mask. You're gonna wanna mix up the egg white until it starts looking like this. So when you pick up a piece, it stays together like that. That makes it a lot easier to apply to your face, and egg white is great for tightening your skin and your pores. So now I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon of honey. And honey, as I said, is anti-inflammatory and also has a lot of great antioxidants for the skin. So I'm gonna put in about 1 teaspoon into the egg white mixture. The combination of these 2 ingredients makes it really hydrating and moisturizing for the skin, and it also is an easy DIY mask to make at home. So this is what it should look like once it's finally mixed together. And it has like a slight yellowish tint to it from the honey. So I'm gonna apply it to half of my face for the video. And I usually leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. The egg white you can feel start to tighten after a little while, which means it's working and it's great for the skin. Right, and so I applied it just to this side. So I just finished applying it to this side of my face, and I can already feel my skin start to tighten. I know some people like to use it on their nose as well to help with blackheads, as it helps to extract those blackheads from your pores. So now for a taste test. Just kidding, I'm not gonna eat raw egg white, but maybe you could cook it. The 6th DIY mask is a rice face mask. So you want to cook the rice, make sure you wash it and cook it, and then you're going to want to blend it. And I usually add a little bit of water to help it blend. So I'm going to add that to the cup here. So that's half a cup of rice, and then I'm going to just add a little bit of water to help it blend. Like that. Like once it's blended up, it kind of reminds me of the texture of mochi. Rice has many great benefits for the skin. It helps to absorb the excess oil on your skin, so it's great for those with oily skin. It also helps with acne in that way, that it pulls that extra oil off your skin. It also helps to tighten the skin as well. I used white rice for this video, but brown rice works as well, and it also has vitamin B, which is great for healing acne or acne scarring. So I applied a thin layer to this side of my face, and I'm going to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. Now for a taste test. This one's pretty good. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. The 7th DIY mask is a turmeric face mask. First, I'm gonna put in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm gonna put that in. Following, I'm gonna put in half a tablespoon of milk. Last, I'll put in half a teaspoon of honey. Honey, and then mix it all up. And I really like turmeric because it gives the skin a natural glow. It does have a little bit of a yellow hint to it, but that goes away pretty quick. It also helps those with acne, and it helps with dark spots under the eyes or hyperpigmentation as well. This mask also contains milk, and milk is actually a natural BHA. So you've probably heard of the Paula's Choice BHA toner. So milk also helps to exfoliate the skin, and it works really similarly to that BHA toner. Alright, so the last ingredient in this mask is honey, and I've talked about honey before in this video, but honey has antibacterial properties as well as antioxidants that are great for the skin. So if you experience any irritation, try reducing the ingredients first, such as honey, and then if it doesn't work out completely, just leave it out. Now for a taste test. It's not bad. It kind of reminds me of the golden milk latte. I'll probably give it an 8 out of 10. Now these masks have been really effective for me, but do what works best for your skin. If you feel any irritation or itchiness, be sure to wash it off because that could be an allergic reaction and you don't want to irritate your skin. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your family and friends. We're getting close to 500 subscribers, and we'll be doing a giveaway, which I'll be going in more detail later in a video. See you guys later!